Presenting to you the teams who play for the championship match for Graceful Girls. Assumption College of Dama versus Thornton Webb, Vincennes Elementary School.
Let's go.
Ladies first, number 4, Rochelle Yap. Number 11, Joanna Azar. Number 12, Shira Santos. Number 8, Danica Colano. Number 10, Vivianita. 7, Jersey Padillo. Number 18, Joanna Tayan. Number 17, Naila Estacio. Number 13, Micaela Ede. Number 15, Patricia De La Cruz. Number 3, Rana Pablo Verde. Number 6, Isa Basta. Number 1, Mariette Mora. And when just remind the team captain, Anna Ortiz. Assistant coach, Raymar Takusi. And the head coach, Rayleigh Arringel. Playing for Vincennes Elementary School, number 5, Pero Samantha Alvada. Number 13, Laika Tonayo. Number 7, Jordan Morales. Number 11, Mel Bastillo. Jersey number 6, Andrea Faye Apones. Number 14, Sherry King. Number 10, Rizel J. Cantan. Number 9, Shavita Sugar. Number 3, Karen Bapdan. Number 4, Edgerine Edwin. Number 8, Karen Frago. And we just want to the team captain, assistant coach, Jason Canina. Alexa Simar. And head coach, Glenn Agnes.
Brad. Wow.